Hello, it's Songlore again. I wanted to share this thing I got in the mail. It's a crochet kit. It says one mystery donut. Which one will you make? All materials are included. It's by the Wobbles. Learn to crochet kit for beginners. It says the Wobbles handmade for you. Includes yarn, step-by-step videos, stuffing, 4mm crochet hook, plastic eyes, yarn needle, and online instructions. And it says, meet your new hobby. Not crafty, not coordinated, nonsense. This kit is for anyone picking up a crochet hook for the first time. The magic is in giving you more than the materials. It's the wee wobbly things we do to make sure you're good to go, like the step-by-step videos to make your very own mystery donut. By the end of it, you won't just have a cute little friend. You'll also have a new, lifelong skill and the confidence that comes with it. Time to completion, 3 to 8 hours. And it says the finished size will be 3.75 inches. And I'll try to link in the video below the website link. So we're gonna try to open it. I don't want to make too loud of a noise. Oh. Try again. Come on. There we go. That was my cat scurrying around. Whatever. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Let me take everything out and show you. Dump it out here. Dump everything out. So it looks like I got the rainbow donut. So this is going to be the chocolate base of it, and then rainbow frosting. And then there's these two, orange and green. Don't know what that's going to be for. This is the crochet hook. Has rainbow and then the donuts on it. This is the stuffing that will go inside of it. It's what's inside that counts, it says on the sticker. And then, let's see, instructions inside. How to wobble wee wobbly bits. This is probably the eyes, I had to guess. So it says your rare rainbow donut. Make drippy donut. Follow the step-by-step guide. And it has a type-in password, so I'm not going to share that, obviously. And this little black yarn. And then, let me put this in the palm of my hand. Okay. So here is the needle. It's pretty big. Little eyes. I guess these are the eye socket things. And then I'm not sure what these are. It's hard to know where the camera is. So I'm gonna put that back in there. So that's it. That's the kit. Ooh. The card was actually keeping it all in, so I'm gonna put that back in there. There was a little loop in it. And yeah, so that's my thing.